for the next civilization, that is Greek civilization. Let's discuss about this civilization now. Greek is a peninsula in the Mediterranean Sea. Small mountains and valleys have separated Greek from one another. Greeks belong to Indo-European race. The Aeolians, the Ionians and the Dorians are the different tribes of ancient Greek. We'll discuss about the rise of city-states. 3,000 years ago, every village of Greek had a king and a council of elders to advise him. As the trade between them increased, the villages slowly became towns and later large cities. These cities became city-states. Each city-state had its own army, administration and guardian deities. Though they were independent states, they were culturally united. Athens and Sparta are the most influential city-states. Let's know about political history of Greek civilization. Athens. Athens was an ideal city-state and had democracy. Cleisthenes overthrew the kingship of Athens 2,500 years ago and laid down the base of democracy. Later, the Pericles period started in Athens. This period is called as the golden period of Athens, as science, arts, literature and philosophy reached their pinnacle during his time. Pericles called Athens as the school of Hellas. Let's know about the city Sparta. Sparta was the city of Dorians and it was a military state. When Persian king Darius waged war on Greece, Sparta and Athens rallied together and defeated Persia in the Marathon War. Later, a conflict arose between Sparta and Athens. Finally, Athens lost and became part of Sparta.